Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making some slime because it's my birthday today, a few days ago. So I'm just going to be making some slime because I got a slime kit and my cousin already made one of the slimes, so I got yellow. Let me turn the light on, guys. Helped a little. Okay, so first I'm gonna need a bowl, which I did not get. I'll just use this little tiny thing. Gonna add some Elmer's glue. Okay. Now, if you want it to be fluffy slime, you can add some shaving cream. But I don't want to add any shaving cream. So, I already made some slime too. Ew, got bubbles on it. Okay. So, now I'm gonna dye it yellow. I want to dye it yellow, so I'm gonna use yellow. Okay, so I added that. Now I'm gonna go get a bowl. Look, guys. So I got the bowl now. So what I do is I get some borax. I'm gonna go get a spoon. Dang it! I'm gonna get a spoon. So I got a spoon. Now I'm just going to get like a spoon or two of borax. Oh. Okay. So then you're gonna stir it until the borax is not there. Until you don't hear that noise anymore. So okay guys, so I stirred it up good enough. Now I'm just gonna add some of this water, and this is the part where you gotta be really, really careful because you don't know how much you're gonna need. Okay, so let me go get, I'm gonna use some scissors to stir it. Ooh. Ew. It's starting to harden. I want it to dry. So what you're gonna do is, that feeling, the feeling of it, just the, oh guys, just the feeling of it, guys. I'm gonna, oh geez, I got yellow paint all over me. Looks like an egg yolk. Didn't stir it up enough, but whatever. It'll stir up in my hands. But, oh, so once it starts to dry, that's when you know it's done. Okay, so it dried out. I gotta go wash my hands. Okay guys, so I washed my hands. Now, I'm gonna try something really quick. Sorry, sorry that it took so long. I thought that it was gonna be a little faster. So I'm gonna take my shaving cream. I'm just gonna try and do DIY and see what happens. So this is shaving cream. This will get messy. So then you're gonna take your spoon, push it down in there. You're gonna take some glue and pour just a little bit in. This might not work, guys, so don't try it unless it works. I've never tried it before. So then you're just going to start kneading it with the shaving cream. Not much of a slime yet. Add a little bit more glue, see if that gets it more sticky. Oh guys, be right back. Okay guys, so that's done. I poured the glue. Now we'll mix it in with the shape. Oh my gosh, this is turning yellow because of my spoon. Make sure you mix that up. This has a little tiny, just like a pinch, less than a pinch of marks because of the stuff that we just made. Make sure this thickens up very, very well. This is working pretty well, guys. See that stickiness? Like shaving cream. I need more glue. Because I want it to be like a slime-ish. I have like no glue left. But whatever. Okay, I'll do this for you guys. I want to see if it'll work. I think I'll add some yellow paint. Nah, I'll just leave it the way it is. Because I don't want to get the yellow paint all over my fingers. That's working, guys. It looks like some kind of cream. So that is my so that is so that is what you get if you do that. It actually turned out pretty slimish. Sticky. I'm gonna just put a bag over this bowl so I can keep this nice slime. When you knead it with your hands, it starts to get better at not sticking. But it's actually pretty cool, guys. I didn't know that you could do that with shaving cream, but my hands feel really sticky right now. Guys, yes. Oh gosh. Guys. Whoa, guys, this is so cool. It feels so cool when you rub it in your hands. This is going to be hard to get off in the sink. Dang, I already hit a bath. Parents are going to be so mad. Come on. Trying to get it all off. I should have added more glue and less shape. Well, guys, so that's the end of the video. And I will try to make as many videos as I can since this is like my second video ever. It is. So make sure to subscribe. Oh, it's starting to come off. So all I need to do... Oh, it's coming off, guys! Forget goodbye. Never goodbye, guys. It's coming off. Oh, yes. Yes. Wow, yeah. Oh my gosh, did that give me a tan? Yes. I'm getting it off. So bye.